Unbox this LG ice maker and install it in the top mount garage ready fridge. I have one ice maker, one water valve assembly, one cover valve, the hardware, a guide tube, and one ice bucket. Let's get started. Empty the freezer and unplug the refrigerator before starting installation. Start by removing the two back covers. Press the top and bottom to remove the plug cover and use a flathead screwdriver for the tube cover. Take the two ice maker screws and hand tighten in the holes provided. Make sure to switch the ice maker button to the off position. Attach the fill tube guide. Now hang the ice maker on the two screws and secure with the bottom white screw. This will hold it firmly into place. With the red and black wiring facing up, plug in the ice maker until it locks in place. Now turn the fridge around and attach the water valve assembly, starting with the valve at the bottom. Connect the wire harness with the teeth towards you facing up. Plug the harness into the two spaces on the right of the housing, leaving the left empty. Push until it locks in place. Now insert the water valve bracket into the metal valve cover plate using the valve screw. You'll be able to tell which screw it is because it has a small washer on it. Self-tap or pre-drill the holes next to the dash marks to attach the cover. Screw in the left side, and then use a band clamp for the tube and secure the right side. The plate should look like this when finished. Next, I'm going to insert the fill tube. Pull off and remove the cover and push the tube in until it's flush with the back. Attach with the screws provided. Using the two markings on the back of the fridge, secure the fill tube with the two remaining band clamps.